The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police. A large group of turkeys is attacking people in its path. The cause of it is unknown. The Animal Patrol will be on the scene to handle the turkeys. It is advised not to go near the turkeys, as they will likely attack you. If you see a large group of turkeys, run away as fast as possible. If a turkey breaks into your home, use any firearm to defend yourself as more numbers of reports that turkey are breaking into people's houses. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
At midnight, lows in the mid-30s. Mostly clear, with the fog reducing visibility at 40%.
Civil danger warning for Newark, Hoboken, Montclair, Bayonne, Morristown, North Bergen, West Orange, East Orange, Livingston, Florham Park, Bloomfield, Verona, Belleville, and Lyndhurst. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. More group turkeys have been spotted through much of New Jersey and the surrounding areas, and they have begun to attack people and cause damage to life and property. It is expected that the turkeys will spread into other states within the next few hours. All residents who are hearing this message are strongly recommended to evacuate their locations immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with you. If you stay in your area, you'll face certain death. The U.S. Armed Forces are now being deployed to handle those turkeys. The NYPD has been notified of the imminent attack from these turkeys. Remain tuned for more updates as soon as it is provided.
Hey, have you seen the updates regarding the attack from the turkeys?
So, I have the updates from the military, but unfortunately, I'm going to tell you that the turkeys have grown stronger and are spreading to Pennsylvania, Connecticut, much of New York, and Massachusetts.
Oh my God, that is not good. If the turkeys are nearing Washington, D.C., I will make a military blockade. I don't know if that will hold for long, but I hope it will hold enough.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Armed Forces and the Federal Emergency Management Agency, with the destruction of the northeastern states from the turkeys. The states of Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, and Florida have reported the turkey attacks in major cities and areas. In addition to the attack of the turkeys, there were instances of the group of turkeys that appeared and started to attack people in the states of Oregon, Washington, California, Idaho, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, Iowa, Wisconsin, and Utah. Anyone in these states is strongly recommended to stay indoors, as evacuating the area is extremely dangerous and could put you at serious risk. If the turkeys break into your home, use anything to defend yourself. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation, as more information will be provided shortly. Repeating, stay indoors immediately. interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United States Armed Forces, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The global emergency has been activated due to a global crisis. Multiple countries across the world have reported extensive damage and attacks from the Turkeys. An estimated 100,000 casualties have been reported.
This is the emergency action termination. The turkeys that were seen attacking and causing damage worldwide have suddenly stopped attacking and become peaceful for unexplained reasons. The cause behind it is unknown, but theory suggests that the unknown magic has caused the behavior of the turkeys to become calm and normal. You may exit your shelters. However, there are damages across the globe that could take a long time to rebuild. Again, this is the emergency action termination. All regular programming may now resume at this time. Your government thanks for your cooperation at this time.